wishes lang.
I miss it's 3:10. Saka hinihintay pa po namin yung iba. First ones kami. Tapos parang nakita ko na rin si Migs. Dito na daw si Glyza, oh. Glyza is here. Nandun na dapat. Video mo.
Bye-bye. Hello. Dadating ko lang.
Ay, nako. Kanina ka pa namin nahanap mo. Nakatrack pa ba?
Oh my gosh, here she is.
Wow!
Ambush
Oh my
mo.
gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Picheck. Ikot. Umikot ka. Ikot ka.
Tip the price.
Vlogger era. Pa-explain nyo nga kung anong gagawin natin today para at least may income.
Ikaw na.
Today,
Maglilibot. Yes.
we will be going to 3 locations for LPU's field trip.
Really?
Yes. Ayan na yung tatlo. Sino na lang kulang? Yung dalawang R.
Yes, and then another one.
Sino?
Si,
Sino pa?
Alicer.
Alice, sir. Yung editor natin. Sintot nyo lang. Mami ka naman?
It's 3:24. We are currently making our way to the bus. Prince Miguel Cabral here with me.
Uy, si Irish. Julie.
Hi guys. Sana kung katabi ko may tatanong sana ako ng opinion. Mamaya. Saka. Si Elgin, alam mo ba yan?
Ano yun?
Di mo alam?
Nandito ka? Tama natin grade 12 pala.
Ikaw muna.
2, 3, 4, 5, sa likod nila. 6.
Napasok na po kami sa bus. Ano gang seat number 8? What's seat number 8?
Uy, may compartment sa taas, so. Morning po. Morning po.
Ate ka? Hey, ate ka. Ano meron? Bakit ayaw ko doon? Mas maganda lang kasi dito. Ikaw mag-video ah? Ano? Si Martin. Ano si Martin? Videographer yun. Vlogger yun nung past life mo. Jacob. Si Jacob. Cheers. Ano yung vlog na natin? Yung vlog na natin? Ha? Oo, vlog natin. Vlog. Naiwan po kami.
Si Jix naman. Naiwan siya naman lang ang malapit.
This is my Instagram. Aalis na.
We are currently moving. We are the last one. We are the last one to leave.
Bye. Yeah.
It's so nice. It's so dark.
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light. 'Cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah.
Busy
So don't you let the sunlight go out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like you was running out. We're alive, we gotta scream it out.
And I don't know where we are. We stopped by. Ano?
Ba't kami accent?
I'm not sure. We stopped by to take CR break.
Kinakain na kayo. Kain na din ako.
Time of arrival.
Our service dito po sa loob. So, ihahatid, tapos
Papakagat daw po tayo sa crocodile. Ngiti.
horse, saka po yung mga Asian albino water buffalo. Tapos sa garage po. Big Safari, nasa approximately 25 hectares po siya ng land. Opo, kaya medyo malaki po siya, kaya kailangan po itong bus as our service pa din po. Ayan, okay, so sige po. Baba na po tayo na lang po natin sila. If you want to check some souvenir items po, pwede po.
Nasa Subic na tayo. Anong tawag di? Anong tawag? Souvenir store. Bibili. Ang bibilin mo, Julia? Ari, this one. Nakadala ng 3,000 tapos hindi ginamit. Ano yun? Landscape nga daw.
Pare, kaway, pare. Kaway kayo. Pare. Dapat 5 yan, ha? Don't worry, it's organic.
Line up by two. By two.
Statue ba yun? It's a statue. It's a statue lang yun. Once is not enough.
Firing range here. For those who want to try airsoft, pasok lang po kayo sa loob ng ating bunker.
Airsoft. Uy. Pinapablog kami ni Miss Janine para sa PT.
Crocodile. Conservation effort or measures. Stay safe.
Uy, there's a very big crocodile.
Buhay ba?
It's awesome. Crocodiles! Crocodile! Natatakot sa Irish.
Mumukbang daw po.
Buhay ba yan?
Baka tulog.
Baka. Goran, our photographer for today's video. Ay,
Wala namang crocodile. Ayun yun.
Nasaan ka?
Ayun.
Nasaan?
Ayun.
Nasaan? Ayun!
Talaga.
Si Marius. Yun, si Magar, si Maris daw buaya. Ba't sila nagpapaay? Ay, basta yung asa na pag-shoot ng mga crocodile na nakamanok eh.
Papapid tayo?
Papapit.
Magpapapid ba tayo?
So, sa mga gusto magawin na meeting po, again, that is from 100. Ayan, yung mga gusto mo magawin. They're not cute, they're cute.
Labanan mo.
Oh!
Nakakangadaang.
Ang photo with the crocodile po doon sa mga gusto.
Ayaw ko nga.
Ano niya lang, gusto niya lang sabihin yan.
Ano po yung papansin? Bibi gago si Poyo. Bibi gago.
Annyeonghaseyo, Bonjournan, Power Rangers.
Ay,
Dapat may tunay na. Parkour.
Uy, ano yun?
Gag, gawa ka dyan.
Parang gigiba.
Dito po nagpaparama yung ibang mga hayop.
I'm a good girl.
Uy, what is little piggies?
Marius!
Oh, saan tayo?
Okay, so it's time for bus 988. Welcome here at the Aitas Trio. So in the next few minutes, some of the Aitas, they will perform some of the ritual or traditional dances.
It's so mainit.
Si Alice yung nabahala mag-talk.
Adopt an animal. Custom care center. Welcome to zoo.
Nagaping ka naman.
Mamit ka naman. Hi, vlog.
Uy, umimik daw ako.
Hey. Si ano daw to? Ball python. Albino spermie. Bigla may nawawala, no? Hi, baby! Leopard gecko. Uy, laki niyan. Taba-taba. We are upgrading our facility. Sa mga to. Iris! Ikaw yung may gusto niyan. Ginusto mo yan. Hawakin mo. Ginusto mo yan.
By the way, Timmy loves to play basketball. So Timmy, show them what you've got. Timmy, shoot that ball. What a nice shot there, Timmy. Alright, now time to close the bid. There you have it. By the way, those materials are decomposable. They are locally known as machine or in general term, unggoy. Testing, right? Now, ate, what can you say about Bella? Malamig. They can stand erect like a bear and has a whiskers like a cat. What can you say about Almond? Heavy. And
Horses. Some rabbits. Oops. Yeah. Baka matakot.
Ayoko nga.
Tapos next mo, ano mag-aabilang? Ikaw.
Magkano yun?
Hindi po nila kayang lumangon.
Ulit.
60 pesos.
Ando na hulog.
Yan.
Mukbang.
So, ano nagsasabi mo, Cheese?
Can I pet the dog?
Hi guys.
Hi.
Nakita niyo.
Hanapin niyo yung
Yeah, I
orange na
think. Hi vlog. Welcome to vlog.
Uy, may monkey.
Sorry, ni Cheese. They do not bite daw, so extend your hands.
What is that?
Pusa. Bibidyo lang tayo.
Bibili pa tayong panak.
Some more Zubik Safari. What the? Ano yun? Hi. More animals. Toulouse goose.
Tabi muna daw. Tabi dito tayo side. At may lalabas. Itong side. Bibidyo lang kita. What's this?
Hey, what's your name?
Hi! Screenshot.
Uy, revealing yung bus nila.
Uy ko, si Rain. Ay, mama picture.
Deer. Ano yan, duck? So, check this out. Bird drill safety reminders. Enjoy and always think of your safety. There are more birds to find. Who's this guy? A cassowary. It's birds. This one is called helmeted guinea fowl. What's this? Oh my god, baby turtles.
Hotel! What? Stop filming me. Hi guys.
Oi, some stuff, really cute stuffed toys. And some clothes to wear.
Kahit wag na po ilagay sa
So that's it for the Zubik Safari.
That's it. Kunti pa lang yan ah.
Anong kaunti pa lang. We are now returning to the bus.
Di pa ako nakapag...
Steady lang ha, ganyan lang. 1.
Okay, everybody, camera ready. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, okay po so everyone, nandito na po tayo sa may Lion Close Encounter.
Introducing Japanese cow, also known as the Wagyu.
Yan kakainin namin.
Ala! Ayun.
Okay, so everyone, si Mayumi na nasa number 3. Kung meron tayo si Coco na nasa number 4. So, yun. Sa number 6
Nima.
naman po, we have Nima. And by the way po, si Nima po, as we can see, meron na po siyang tiger. By the way po, meron po ba nag-reveal na lion feeding natin? Ah, meron po. Saan po?
Hold it tightly and then... Last
Ayaw mo masama din sa vlog.
Hindi mo kakilala.
Hi guys. Hi Cheese.
Zubik cave. Huwag daw hahawakan yung animals. Huwag daw hahawakan. Holy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Awesome. It's good. Zebra. We're entering a cave. Hey, it's a goat.
Look at that.
Yan. We are entering a cave leading to the butterfly garden. Ay, wala pa naman. Oh. Very nice river.
Sige pa, you can explore sa itong butterfly garden.
Yun na. Ito maganda. There's a butterfly. There's a bunch of butterflies. Look at that one. Look at this one. This one's a nice one. Butterfly!
There's a butterfly. Kaninong ay bandage?
Ang gagawin natin?
Group activity
Group
na.
activity.
Yan. Gugroup yan sa Tito 12 kasama natin yung mga taga-ibang school.
Yes.
Mayroon nasa 14 to 15 lang po, pero pa rin ang Tiger Safari Jeepney.
Oh my gosh!
Yes.
Yes!
Per bucket, 200. Per bucket.
Ready naman po ako.
Tara, papakain tayo.
Wala na akong pera.
Dito na mo sila.
Pwede makishare na lang. Wala na kasi akong pera. Hindi na ako pwede.
Divide mo nga. Divide 12. Calculator.
Stem na stem, tapos gagamit ng calculator.
Don't care.
Shit. Bibili na tayong paana. Merch. Ang pwede. May samurai sword. Yung ukulele. Bili! Bibili nyo guys. Tingin tayo. Plain.
Yung pong ano? Yung pong red ito po.
Yes! Airplane. Sa Kapana. Miss, binigyan po ako ng discount, miss, kasi 300 po dapat.
Ito magkano?
Tig to 250 each po.
Kano ba ito sa Tagaytay? May ganito sa Tagaytay, di ba?
250 lang po.
Manda ka, Janine. Janine, manda ka. Papanain kita. Doon sa Tiger. Isang bucket of 50. Kami ang bagan, 20 pesos each.
Cut na lang.
Hello po, it is, anong oras na ba? Time check! 1:09 p.m. Magta-tiger feeding po tayo.
Vlog talaga yan.
Hey, so how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling
Very, very hot.
Yes, pero may mga naman, humidifier. Ano feeling nyo?
Na-allergy.
Oh, ina-allergy. Ako ba, anong pinifeel mo ngayon? Papakain daw po siya sa tiger. Ayan na! Hindi pa tayo yan. Ay nako, naunahan na tayo. Diretso na sila sa bus. Oh my God.
Let's do this.
Chay.
Ah, may kinakain pa siya.
Ayaw na.
Kier, may pag-uwi ka. Kier.
Sayang na. Nice one ka. Ay! Nakuha niya. Mautak ang...
Kakain na po kami ng tiger. Where are we?
Nasa tiger feeding.
Hi guys. Ano masasabi mo, Cheese? Cheese, ano masasabi mo?
Parang siyang teddy bear.
Ha?
Gusto ko ng ganyan, na pet.
Ikaw umalis please. Dito ka na.
Bukas. Pahala ka na po, bukas.
Kinabahan si Irish doon. Kinabahan ka ba?
Tapos na kami sa sa Zubig. Next location. Ano next location natin?
Ocean.
Ocean Park. Handa na ba kayo sa Ocean Park? Mag-rest na kayo. Matulog na kayo. Baka may matay si Rick.
course.
Huh? What? All this time?
Alright, it's real. Alright, hi buddy. For this round, that's right here. There is sniffing and they found it. Well, that one is Yula. He is a binturong, also known as a bear cat. Very good girl. As for her reward, she will get some of her favorite fruits like banana. You're correct. The world's only flying mammals. Show them how you flee on trees. And fly! One more turn!
Galang.
Crazy, right? And that is how... Okay, what kind of bird is going on? Does anybody know?
Penguin.
Alright, ready? Okay, ready? Last guy? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Angel. Spin. Okay, Kiko, can you wave to your fans?
What?
Si Elijah kasama. Si Elijah, hindi kasama.
Ito, kasama malaki. Joke lang. Kapangalan niya yung ano.
Learn about the environment. Even our sea lions once. Now, seals walk.
All right, sir, slide.
We stopped by at Duty Free Civic. Yes, we stopped.
na ako.
Yeah. We stopped at Duty Free Civic. I'm passing this phone to someone who would like to share their thoughts about the field trip.
Entertaining.
How would you describe this field trip in one word?
Fun.
How would you describe this field trip in one word?
Amazing.
How would you describe this field trip in one word?
Exciting.
Exciting. How would you describe this field trip in one word?
Enjoyable.
Enjoyable. How would you describe this field trip in one word?
Delightful.
Delightful.
Eco-friendly. Kasi puro animals kasi.
Nakakapagod.
Magastos. Wait lang for me. Magastos and mainit and
One word no.
magastos.
Mainit lang, yun lang.
Hindi ako, mainit.
Mainit
Sobra.
at masakit.
Sakit sa ulo.
Sakit sa bulsa.
Lopo, we just finished the duty free. Bumili si Glaysa ng sponges.
Adulting moment.
7:12 p.m. Tapos we are headed to our last stop para mag-ano daw, di ba? Dinner? Stopover daw. After that, diretso na sa school. Time check. Anong oras na yan? Anong oras na? It is 6:32 at saka 8:32. Final destination.
Spaghetti burger. Pagkain.
Oo. Time check. 12:34 a.m. We have returned to Riverside.